The question is from the chapter Surface Chemistry, and here we need to write any three differences between physisorption and chemisorption. Physisorption and chemisorption are two different types of adsorption processes, and physisorption involves a weak van der Waals force or London forces. At the same time, chemisorption is involving a strong chemical bonds such as covalent bonds or ionic bonds. And the nature of bonding in physisorption is physical bonds, not the chemical bonds. At the same time, the chemisorption is involving chemical bonds which are formed between the adsorbate and the surface. Another difference we can say, the physisorption has a low amount of heat of adsorption, whereas in case of chemisorption, the heat of adsorption is generally high. The physisorption is more reversible, that is, adsorbate can be removed easily from the adsorbent. The chemisorption is less reversible, breaking the chemical bonds requires significant energy in case of chemisorption. In the old question, we need to define the lyophilic salt. Here you will get 3 marks if you write 3 differences between the physisorption and chemisorption. In the old question, we need to define the lyophilic salt. A lyophilic salt is also known as lyophilic colloid. This is a type of colloidal system where the dispersed phase has a strong affinity for the dispersion medium. And the lyophilic salts are generally more stable than lyophobic salts because the strong interaction between the particles and the medium helps to prevent the aggregation. Next one is macromolecular colloid. Macromolecular colloids are a type of colloidal system where the dispersed particles are large molecules or macromolecules, typically with a molecular weight greater than 10,000 Daltons. These macromolecules can form colloids due to their size and their ability to interact with the dispersion medium. The third one is coagulation. This is the process by which the colloidal particles aggregate or clump together to form larger clusters or precipitates. This will lead to the destabilization of the colloidal system. This can occur through various mechanisms and is often used in both natural and industrial processes. So for each definition, you will get 1 mark. So the total mark will be 3.